Hello, this is Troy, your loan guy with the Reichert Mortgage Team, and I love to help my veteran brothers and sisters to realize their home financing goals, whether that be a purchase or a refinance. We really try to provide them with stellar experience, okay, and a clear mortgage plan. Super important. If you could do me a favor, I'd really appreciate it. Like this video if indeed you like it. Share this video if indeed you know somebody that could be in the need of this information, and subscribe to this channel if indeed you feel like you're getting value out of this. We're trying to really help as many veterans out there as possible, and you doing those things would really go a long way to helping us do that. Now, without any further ado, we're going to talk about something here real quick. When is a VA loan not a good idea? Now, I will say this. VA loans are typically the best option out there for our veterans, whether you're active duty or retired or separated, okay? Or surviving spouses. There's some other options out there too. But the reasons why VA loans are usually the best are they typically have lower interest rates, okay? They have no monthly mortgage insurance, keeps that monthly payment down. They usually have no down payment. Again, sometimes you do, depending upon your entitlement and those kind of things. But can you imagine lower interest rates, no money down, and no monthly mortgage insurance? A lot of those barriers that other folks have, as far as home financing, those aren't necessarily an issue on that VA loan. We want to make sure that we're taking care of those things. But there are times when that VA loan is indeed not the best option, okay? So you need to talk to a mortgage professional like us, right? Talk to me. Talk to your loan guy, Troy, about whether the VA loan is indeed the best option. Here are some reasons why the VA loan is not the best option, okay, whether you're trying to do something, whether it's a purchase or a refinance. Condo associations. Condo associations have to be approved by the VA in order to purchase a home there, okay? So sometimes, indeed, they are not approved. We can help you look up that information. If they're not approved, you might have to go conventional loan or FHA. FHA does require the condo association approval as well, by the way, just a different process. Now, the condo association can get approved, and it's not the worst process in the world. Doesn't take too long. So don't cross it off the list entirely, but we got to make sure if indeed they will not do that association, that we have another option for you besides the VA loan, okay? Sometimes your VA entitlement, it's locked up on another loan or locked up on another scenario. Maybe you had a foreclosure or a short sale where the VA had to kick in some money on an old loan. Or maybe you're keeping your current VA loan and you want to go buy another one. That's another opportunity where some of your entitlement might be locked up. If indeed that's the case, you might have a down payment, and those down payments might be more than what you need to do on an FHA or a conventional. So that would be another reason why the VA loan may not be the best option for you, okay? If you're trying to buy a second home or an investment property, the VA loan is not that type of loan product that works. You can only use it on a primary residence, okay? Now, you can, a year down the road, change that into a second home or an investment property. But for purchasing standpoint, when you're initially purchasing that home, you have to use your VA loan on a primary only. No second homes, no investment properties, okay? Now, last point I want to bring up to you. If your VA funding fee, if you have one, negates the impact of a lower interest rate, and you're only going to hold the home for X amount of time, let's do the math on that together to see if it makes sense to do a VA loan. I've had scenarios where the VA funding fee is $11,000, $12,000, $13,000. Still, the VA loan might be the best option, but if you're only going to own the home for, let's say, 2 years, and that $12,000 to $13,000 that you're spending in the funding fee is not enough to cover the difference in the monthly payment on another type of loan, maybe the VA loan is not the way to go, okay? That's what we are here to do, to provide that clear mortgage plan as mortgage professionals to make sure we're putting you in the best position possible, okay? VA loans are amazing. 95% of the time, they are indeed the best option for you. But sometimes your unique situation calls for something different. Let's have that conversation, okay? I really appreciate you watching. You can find out more. My contact information is right here. I am your loan guy with the Reichert Mortgage Team. I'm available via text, call, or you can email me anytime. Looking forward to that conversation. Have an amazing one. Appreciate you. Bye.